They told you crypto is the future, but is it safe? Let's break it down. At its core, cryptocurrency runs on a technology called blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger like a record book, but instead of being kept in one place, copies exist all over the world. This makes it almost impossible to tamper with. Add in cryptography. Super complex math, and you've got transactions that are locked up tight. And because there's no single company or government in charge, it's decentralized. That means no one person can just change the rules. But here's the catch, the system is strong, but your safety depends on how you use it. Imagine your crypto wallet as a super secure safe. You hold the only key and no bank can help you if you lose it. Lose the key and your money's gone. Give someone else a copy and they can take everything. So, what are the real dangers? Scams and phishing attacks are everywhere. Fake websites, emails pretending to be exchanges, or messages promising free coins. Click the wrong link, and your assets could disappear in seconds. Then there's the risk of exchange hacks. While the blockchain itself is tough to break, crypto exchanges, the places where you trade coins, can be hacked just like any website. Billions have been lost from people trusting the wrong platform. And let's not forget about human error. Mistyping an address, falling for social engineering tricks, or just forgetting your password, all of these can lead to losing your crypto forever. How does this compare to traditional banks? Banks have customer service, fraud protection, and backup systems. If you lose your card, you can get a new one. If someone steals from your account, you might get your money back. In crypto, you're in control, and that's both the power and the risk. So, is cryptocurrency safe? The technology is solid. Blockchain, decentralization, cryptography, they're all designed for security. But the human factor? That's the weak link. Learn more before you invest. Knowledge is your best protection.